In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a FAQ in Wix website. A good FAQ page helps visitors find answers fast and reduces support requests, and Wix makes it simple to set up. Start in the Wix editor and look to the left side for the Pages panel. This is where all your site pages live and where you'll create new ones. Click the plus icon at the top right of that panel and choose Page. When prompted, name the page FAQ. Clear, simple naming keeps your site organized and makes it easy for visitors to recognize what the page is about. With the new page created, begin laying out the basics. Add a page title like Frequently Asked Questions and, if you want, a short intro sentence to set expectations, such as what topics you cover. Keep the layout clean, with generous spacing, so the information feels approachable and easy to scan. The most effective way to present FAQs is with accordion elements. Accordions let visitors expand a question to reveal the answer, which keeps the page tidy while still giving full details when needed. To add one, click the plus icon at the top left of the editor to open the Add menu, then use the search bar to look for accordions. Browse the styles and pick one that matches your site's look and feel. Drag and drop your chosen accordion onto the FAQ page. Click into the first item to replace the placeholder text with your own question and answer. Keep questions short and specific, and write answers that are clear and actionable. If an answer needs extra context, break it into 1 or 2 short paragraphs for readability. Duplicate accordion items to add more questions and reorder them so the most common questions appear first. You can also adjust design options, like fonts, spacing, and icons, so the accordion blends seamlessly with your branding. Once your content is in place, make sure people can actually find the page from your site navigation. Edit the header menu and add the FAQ page there. Open your site header, select the menu, manage the items, and include the new FAQ page in the list. Drag it into the position you prefer, often near contact or support, so it's easy to spot. This ensures the FAQ appears in your main navigation across the site, and there you go. You've created a clear, user-friendly FAQ page using accordions and added it to your site menu so visitors can access it instantly. That's all. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your Wix site.